All right, guys, so me and Lewis made it out to the second annual Randy Wise Poker Run. We did this event last year. You can actually check out the last year's video here. But basically, you start out at one single place, and then we do 4 or 5 different stops all throughout the day. And we acquire, I think, 7 or 8 different cards. And so ends up being a pretty good time. We had a great time last year, and it ended up being a beautiful day this past Saturday for this event. So go ahead and have a little watch and stay tuned. What up, Lewis? See our lens behind us. What you got? 3. Oh man, we're screwed. My hand sucks. All right, so Randy Wise Buick GMC ended up being the last stop of the day. Same as last year, except this year they kind of did all the driving at once, and then we got to kind of hang out here for a couple hours and kind of have a little bit more of a car show, which was actually kind of nice. All in all, I think we did about 160 miles, so pretty fun event. I would definitely recommend it, and it is free. So like, share, subscribe. See you guys.